Is this a big jump? Do you think it can jump from over there to here?
A little bit down. This one's messing with the lights at the back. Oh, look how it's trying to see in.
Jump around.
He's coming.
He's trying to go around us.
Oh no, he's biting this.
We are so dead. Come on, go forward.
Wait!
Monkey's coming.
Jumping from car to car.
Mm.
Oh, this one is heading to that, maybe. Or one's heading to ours.
He's coming to us, Anna. Watch! Wow!
Dad, I can see the monkey's nips. Hey, we're getting a free hand car wash. We're getting a hand car wash from the monkey.
Thank you. We had the hair, so.
Yeah, so we're not dead.
He's cleaning Dad's car.
Dad, I think we're going to have to pay him with food to get a hand car wash. Yep, he's giving us a hand car wash.
Keeping car dirty sometimes works.
At least we're
Be
going
careful.
to keep it aerial. At least we're going to have an aerial. That monkey's crazy. That's crazy.
That's much better being on the front.
I'm sorry.
Can hear him.
Oh no! It should be on the top. Come on in. Ah, there it is, there it is. I think he is.
No, there are some berries there hidden. So
Don't move the
just
car.
stay here for a while.
There's a sheep. She's got nips. She's got nips. Dad,
So it's the sheep.
she's got nips. Dippies. I think that's what these are like.
Sunflowers. Those sycamore seeds.
She's a nip lady. Nip monkey, more like it'll eat you. Don't do that, it'll scare it away.
We had the smell of it first.
He's strange. She's
Just as well you didn't clean your car, Darryl.
Dad.
We did though, didn't we? A week ago.
Yeah, not long since.
Because we park under trees. So.
Yeah, it's all the bits into what bits.
That monkey on black BMW is a little bit had the action hero thing doing, hanging on the back like this.
He's getting everything.
See that black action movie?
Oh, yeah.
Die Hard or something.
Yeah.
I'm still on.
This is a good car. There's lots to eat.
Oh, shall I do the windscreen wiper?
No.
Wash
Do it.
No.
The water then, the water.
Oh no, that's
See the
cruel.
water.
It's got antifreeze in it.
No.
May harm him.
Antifreeze. What's antifreeze?
Stop your water freezing in
It's a little
winter.
bit poisonous.
He's had his
Yeah.
ear nibbled, hasn't he?
Oh, is that a nibble or is that the real shape?
No.
Both sides.
Oh right, maybe. Yeah. Well, at least you give him a good feed.
Oh, it's got.
I didn't know they are edible.
The dumb monkeys. Oh, he's coming to the back. Coming to the back. Coming to the back.
Oh, there's one on there, see? Oh, he's fallen off. He's gone on there with the other one.
Searching now.
They're searching it.
Because she found here, so she was expecting the same thing. But usually most of people don't have it.
Yeah.
Just
Oh,
this
yeah.
car.
Yeah, it's gone back to look. But maybe we're not the first car that's